Hi, I'm Ebony and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how I blow dry my natural hair. This video was previously recorded back in November. Yes, November. I've had a lot to do, so I'm a little behind. But to get started, I have my hair in 4 sections. I always like to work in sections when doing my hair, and I am using a heat protecting blow dry cream as well as a wide tooth comb and a blow dryer with a comb attachment and just some clips to keep my hair separate. Additionally, I am starting my hair on stretch dry hair. If you've watched my previous video where I show you how I stretch my natural hair without using heat, this is the state of my hair after it was completed. So my hair is parted in 4 sections, and I separate that section into 2, and then I just take a wide tooth comb and gently comb out my hair. Next, I take my blow dryer with the comb attachment and I start at the ends and work my way up to the root, and I go through a few times just to ensure that I've gotten out any additional tangles or anything else. After I complete this process, I just move on to the next section. This is what my hair looks like once I've completed the back half of my hair. Now I'm moving on to the next section. This entire process is quick and simple because I started my hair on stretched hair, which I showed you all in my previous video. I like to take the additional step of stretching my hair prior to applying heat because it decreases the amount of time for me to blow dry my hair, and it also reduces the amount of heat I have to use on my hair. And I forgot to mention, the reason I'm blow drying my hair is in preparation to flat iron it. Typically, this isn't something I do very often. I only do it when I'm actually going to flat iron my hair. The video is pretty straightforward. For the remainder of the video, you'll just see me continue to blow out my hair. Thank you all for watching. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know down in the comment section below. I appreciate your support. Thank you for watching.